Yansur. Yansuran. Yansuranna. Yansuru. Yansura. Yansur. Yansuran. Yansuranna. Yansuru. Yansura. Yansur. Yansuran. Yansuranna. Now, they have certain names. This is called maruf or regular. This is mudare maruf. This is mudare maruf. Fail mudare maruf. Maruf means regular. Yansuru. Nasara yansuru unsur. Nasara yansuru unsur. Yansuru is maruf. But here, instead of yansuru, we are saying yansura. Yansura. And we are making it light. And yansur, we are making it lighter. That's why this is called khafif. This is called akhaffu. Akhaffu. And yansuran, we are adding a noon sakin here. We are adding tanween here. Tanween, noon sakin, we are adding to it. Yansuran, tanween, we are adding to it. And that becomes heavy. But here yansuran, this is called noon asqal. The noon is very, very heavy. Yansuranna. Yansuranna. That is become very heavy, heavier. That's why it is called asqal. Asqal means very heavy. Thaqil means heavy. Asqalu means more heavier. Khafif means light. Akhaffu means more lighter. Now, then we said, sister, repeat after me. Yansuru, la yansuru, sayansuru, sawfa yansuru, la yansuru, qad yansuru, law yansuru, kana yansuru. So these are the 8 kinds, these are the 7 words that are attached before the verb, regular verb, mudare, fail mudare. What are they? Yansuru means, yansuru, look at me. Yansuru has 2 meanings. He is helping, he helps, or he shall help in future. But when you say la yansuru, only you're talking about present, not about future. But when you say sayansuru, you're talking about future, not about present. When you say Saufa Yansuru, you're talking about that he shall help in the long future. When you say La Yansuru, he does not help. He does not help anymore. La Yansuru. When you say Qad Yansuru, it has 2 meanings. Qad. Number 1, certainly, indeed, in fact, he will help, or he shall help. And qad also, qad yansur means sometimes he helps. The qad is of 2 kinds. Then law yansuru means if he could help. That is your wish. That is your desire, that if he could help. Now, kana yansuru makes it past continuous. He was helping. Not anymore. He was helping. Kana yansuru. Kana yansuru. That kana makes it past continuous. Yansuru is mudare. But it's kana makes it past continuous. That's why I wrote here past continuous. Everybody got it? And then I quoted, right down on top of lesson number 103, the ayah of Quran 118, the word qad is used in 2 different meanings. Qad, in the same ayah, qad badatil baghda and qad bayyana. So this qad has a different meaning and this one. You got it, my friend? What is the news from Nancy? Yashir? Harishi? What is the news from Nancy? She's perfect. Alhamdulillah. May Allah keep her safe so that our brother is not in trouble. You had a speaker of Nancy here.
You trying to take my girl, you know?
You see, let me share you. When I was in college at University of California, so I had a friend, and he had a girlfriend. This is a real story. This is a real story, 1973. And he had a girlfriend, and her name was Michelle. And he was living with her for a year or so. Then what happened? They had a party. And they were drinking. And the city was Davis, which is 30 miles from Sacramento. University of California, Davis, they have a campus. It's 30 miles from Sacramento. That's where we were living. So the shops in Sacramento, the liquor shops, they closed at 12. And they needed liquor, more liquor. They had a party. So the boyfriend was so drunk he could not drive. He said, "Who is going to drive?" There was another guy. Yes, you see, I forgot his name. Anyway, he said, "I will go with Michelle and I will go and get liquor from Sacramento. It's only 30 kilometers, in half an hour I will get." Anyway, so that guy went with Michelle to bring liquor. And in the car, he said, "Listen, you are living with this boy for 1 year. He is not serious about you. He will not marry you. But I want to marry you. Provided," listen to me very carefully, "provided you accept Islam." So, and you see, I don't drink. So they never returned. That was Friday night. On Sunday, both of them went to the church and they got married. Officially, they got married. So when I came to Davis, a lady used to come and sit in the halaqah. And I was told that her name is Michelle, and she is learning Quran. She was asking questions, what is the meaning of this ayah, She was participating in the group discussion. 4 years after, 1977, I was in Vancouver, Canada. I came to New York, and I had a Hajj flight. From New York to Jeddah. And I saw the man and Michelle, both of them were going for Hajj. And both of them, they made Hajj with me in 1977. And this is the way how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives guidance. You see, they went to buy something haram, but they ended up, in marriage. And she accepted Islam. A white lady, Michelle. And then the other guy, he used to joke all the time. You know, he stole my girlfriend, he took my girlfriend, you know. The other guy, he was from the school of, he was a veterinary doctor. He was going to the veterinary school, the other guy. And the guy who got married, he was from our school, School of Agriculture. You got it now? Now, we go to, shall I erase this one here? You see here, 5 things. Number 1, li. Number 2, lam. Okay. Lam, say lam. Lamma. Li. La. In. Lam lamma. Li la 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 in. So these are the 5 letters that make mudare akhaf. For example, you know walada yalidu lid. Say walada yalidu lid. Walada yalidu lid. Walada yalidu lid. Walada yalidu lid. This is going to come into examination. Remember here, I taught you this and I gave you a handout also. Walada yalidu lid. Walada yalidu lid. Walada yalidu lid. But not exactly this will come. Something else will come, but on this pattern. Walada yalidu lid. So walada means he gave birth or she gave birth. And something came out of him or her. Something came out of him. You know, something came out of you. Because that's why your son exactly resembles you. You know, your son has same features like you. Why? Because something came out of you. That he is your seed. He is your seed. So that means walada. Yalidu means he gives birth or she gives birth. And lid means give birth. Walada yalidu lid. But the same lam, when it goes to yalidu, becomes yalid. Say lam yalid. Lam yalid. Instead of yalidu, what do you say? Lam yalid. That became akhaf, that became lighter. Yalidu became yalid. Lam yalid, you know this. Lam yalid walam yulad. Walada yalidu lid. Walada yalidu lid. Wabaqa yabiqu biq. Wajafa yajifu jif. Walada yalidu lid. Warama yarimu rim. Warisa yarisu ris. This is in Quran many times. Warasa yarisu ris. Warasa yarisu ris. Warasa yarisu ris. Warasa yarisu ris. Okay. Lamma. Lamma also will make. Lamma. Lam means. Lam is no. No in the past. And lamma means not yet. For example, we say lamma thalid. Lamma thalid means lamma thalid. So far delivery did not take place. Lamma thalid.
So we're adding it.
Not yet. Not so far. Not yet. Not so far. Still in the labor room. Lamma thalid. Lamma thalid. Li. Li, you see, this li is very important. Li means must. You see, lam with a kasra, lam maksur. Li, for example, Quran says, li yunfiq. Li yunfiq. Li yunfiq means he must. Li yunfiq, he must spend.
So Sheikh, lam and lamma both make the tense to be past. It makes it mazi, right? So lam and lamma. Okay, just like kana.
Yes. But lamma, you see, not yet. No, lamma is
Lamma.
about future. Lam is about past, but not lamma. Lamma, you say not yet. Not yet, not so far. Now this la is of two kinds. Somewhere, you see, somewhere you write, somewhere in your notebook, everybody open your notebook. There is one la nafi. La nafi, and there is one la nahi. La nahi. La nahi is a negative command. Listen to me. La nafi means, for example, this is a letter of negation. Letter of negation, la nafi. For example, when we say la yakulu means he is not eating. He is not eating. This la nafi, this is la nafi. Letter of negation. He is not eating. La yakulu. There is another one which is called negative, la of negative command. This la is different from this la. When you say la ta'kul, la ta'kul. Here you see ta'kul. This is here. The last part you see, la ta'kul. Don't eat. La ta'kul. La ta'kul. Don't eat.
Which makes it
La yakulu. Say, la yakulu. La ta'kul. La yakulu. La ta'kulu. Here you made this a khaf. Write down here. La ta'kul. La ta'kul. La ta'kul. See, la ta'kul. You see, command always ends at a silent. For example, Nasara yansur, unsur. Unsur, Darabayadru, Edre. Whether it is a positive command or